1 minute on plant specialised cells we need to know, and that is the root hair cell and the xylem and phloem cells. The root hair cell is adapted to its function because it has a huge surface area for absorption. Anything in biology that involves absorption will have a large surface area, and you can see the shape of it hugely helps this to increase the area in which water and minerals can be absorbed. It also has, although you can't see in this diagram, lots of mitochondria, because one of the 3 ways of transporting in cells is active transport, which is transporting particles against a concentration gradient from a low concentration to a high concentration using energy. And that happens in root hair cells, and you can see on this diagram, water and mineral ions are absorbed. The mineral ions are going to be pulled into the plant using active transport. Therefore, root hair cells are likely to have lots of mitochondria. The next 2 are xylem and phloem, and these are involved in plant transport of water on the left, xylem, and phloem is sugars. Xylem is adapted to be long tubes in the plant, and that means the cell walls at the end of a normal plant cell die and therefore fall away and leave a tube. It's also got lignin, which is a waterproof resin that goes into the edges of the xylem vessels, which make it waterproof and make sure that no water is lost. They're very long and thin, and there's thousands of them in a plant, and they allow transport of water from the roots to the leaf. Phloem transports sugars which have been made in photosynthesis from the leaf to the rest of the plant. Their adaptations are that they are not actually dead, but one part of the cell, these end walls, instead of completely disintegrating like the xylem, they partially disintegrate, leaving little holes that the sugar can flow through. These are called sieve plates, and that part of the cell needs to be supported in its cellular processes by a companion cell, which is like a little friend that they're carrying out the cellular processes. So that'll have the mitochondria, the ribosomes, the nucleus, and you can see in the diagram of phloem that there's little companion cells there. And so sugar is transported to the rest of the plant for respiration by the phloem vessels. We're out of here.
We're